Have you ever wondered how to multiply your income on YouTube? Welcome to the first step of a journey that will reveal the secrets of increasing your YouTube income. This isn't about getting lucky or going viral once. No, we're talking about sustainable, consistent income growth. It's about mastering the art of playing with YouTube's rules, not against them. The world of YouTube income is a vast and varied landscape. It's not just about ad revenue anymore. There are multiple streams of income that, when tapped into, can significantly boost your earnings. But understanding how to navigate this landscape and unlock these streams is crucial. And that's precisely what we're here to explore. The key to unlocking YouTube's wealth lies in understanding three major areas: the YouTube algorithm, content optimization, and additional revenue streams. Each of these areas is a piece of the puzzle that, when put together, can lead to the multiplication of your YouTube income. The YouTube algorithm, that mysterious entity that decides the fate of your videos. It's not as enigmatic as it seems, and understanding how it works can be the difference between your video reaching hundreds or hundreds of thousands. We'll be decoding this algorithm, revealing its secrets, and showing you how to use it to your advantage. Next, we'll be diving into the art of content optimization. This involves tailoring your content to maximize its reach and engagement. From video quality to keyword usage, we'll explore the various factors that can boost your content's performance and in turn your income. Finally, we'll be exploring additional revenue streams. The days when ad revenue was the only way to earn on YouTube are long gone. Today there are numerous ways to augment your income on YouTube, and we'll be uncovering these avenues. The journey to multiplying your income on YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, persistence, and most importantly, the right knowledge. Stay tuned as we first dive into the fascinating world of the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm, ever heard of it? Well, it's time to get acquainted because it's the key to your YouTube success. Let's get down to business. The YouTube algorithm, in a nutshell, is a complex system that uses a variety of factors to decide which videos to recommend to each individual viewer. It's like a matchmaker, pairing viewers with videos they're likely to enjoy and engage with. One of the most significant factors that the algorithm takes into account is watch time. This refers to the total amount of time that viewers spend watching your videos. The longer the watch time, the more the algorithm tends to favor your content. So aim to create videos that captivate your audience and keep them watching till the end. Next, we have viewer engagement. This encompasses likes, comments, shares, and even the number of times your video is added to a viewer's watch later list. The more engagement your video generates, the more the algorithm will consider it as valuable content and promote it to other viewers. Lastly, user experience plays a pivotal role in the YouTube algorithm. This includes factors such as the click-through rate of your video thumbnails, the relevance of your video content to the viewer, and how often viewers return to your channel. The better the user experience, the higher the chances of your videos being recommended by the algorithm. Now here's the kicker. To truly master the YouTube algorithm, you need to create content that caters to these factors. Focus on producing engaging videos that offer value to your viewers. Strive to create eye-catching thumbnails that entice viewers to click and watch your content. And most importantly, be consistent. The more regularly you upload high-quality content, the more likely the algorithm is to favor your channel. So there you have it, the YouTube algorithm decoded. It might seem daunting at first, but remember, it's not about gaming the system. It's about understanding it and using that knowledge to create better content for your viewers. Now that we've unlocked the secrets of the YouTube algorithm, let's move on to our next step: optimizing your content. Scene script. Content is king, but optimization is queen. Let's discover how to create optimized content that will keep viewers hooked. Content optimization is a lot like baking. You need the right ingredients in the right quantities, mixed in the right order. So what are these ingredients in content creation? Let's dive in. Firstly, we have SEO-friendly titles and descriptions. Think of these as the flour and sugar of your content cake. They're the base of everything. Your title should be catchy and relevant, incorporating keywords that viewers are likely to search for. Similarly, your description should provide a brief yet enticing summary of your content, again sprinkled with those all-important keywords. Next, we have high-quality thumbnails. These are the cherries on top of your content cake. They're what entice viewers to click on your video in the first place. A compelling thumbnail can be the difference between a viewer choosing your video over the vast sea of alternatives. So invest time in creating thumbnails that are visually appealing and accurately represent your content. Then we have the baking process itself. your upload schedule. A consistent upload schedule is crucial in maintaining viewer interest. It's like regularly adding fuel to the fire. If you leave too long between uploads, the fire may dwindle and die out. So aim for a regular, predictable schedule that your viewers can look forward to. Finally, let's talk about the secret ingredient: viewer retention and engagement. This is the yeast in your content cake. It's what makes it rise and stand out from the rest. The longer viewers watch your videos, and the more they engage through likes, comments, and shares, the higher YouTube will rank your content. So strive to create content that not only attracts viewers, but also keeps them engaged till the very end. With these ingredients and the right baking process, you're well on your way to creating a delicious content cake that viewers can't resist. With your content now optimized for success, we move on to our final step, exploring additional revenue streams. YouTube ad revenue is great, but why stop there? Let's delve into the world of additional revenue streams. Think of YouTube as your launchpad, a platform that gives you the visibility you need to venture into other income-generating opportunities. One such opportunity is merchandising. If you have a loyal fan base, selling merchandise can be an excellent way to earn extra income. Everything from t-shirts to mugs, posters, or even custom-made products that resonate with your audience. The key is to create merchandise that your audience feels connected to. Another avenue to explore is brand collaborations. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers and content creators to partner with. These collaborations can take various forms. It could be a sponsored video where you review a product, or perhaps a brand wants you to feature their product in one of your videos. Remember, authenticity is vital in these collaborations. Collaborate with brands that align with your content and audience. Crowdfunding is another method that's gained traction in recent years. Platforms like Patreon allow creators to receive monthly donations from their fans. In return, creators can offer exclusive content, early access to videos, or any other perks that would make the subscription valuable to the fans. This model not only provides a steady stream of income, but also strengthens the bond between creators and their audience. And let's not forget about affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service by sharing a link or a code. Whenever a purchase is made using your link or code, you get a commission. The best part? It's a win-win situation. Your audience gets something they like, and you get a piece of the profit. So, whether you're a budding YouTuber or an established creator, consider these additional revenue streams. They can significantly boost your income and offer a level of financial stability that ad revenue alone may not provide. Now that we've explored the various avenues to earn more on YouTube, let's wrap things up. So, we've navigated through the maze of multiplying your income on YouTube. Let's recap the key points. Firstly, we delved into the deeply intricate world of the YouTube algorithm. It's an intelligent system that determines what content gets placed in front of potential viewers. By understanding how the algorithm works, you can tailor your content to maximize its reach. Remember, the algorithm favors viewer engagement, so focus on creating content that encourages likes, shares, comments, and of course, subscribes. Next, we explored the art of content optimization. This involves not just producing high-quality videos, but also optimizing your titles, descriptions, and tags to make them more discoverable. When you optimize your content, you're essentially speaking the language of the YouTube algorithm. And when you speak its language, it's more likely to recommend your videos to the right audience. Then we journeyed into the realm of additional revenue streams. YouTube ad revenue is a great start, but it shouldn't be your only source of income. Consider exploring other avenues such as sponsorships, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding. These additional streams of income can help cushion your earnings, especially during those unpredictable algorithm shifts. But remember, all these strategies are not quick fixes. They are tools to help you build a sustainable income on YouTube over time. It's not about gaming the system, but understanding and working in harmony with it. The more you learn and adapt, the more you'll see your income grow. And finally, don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of YouTube is that it provides a platform for creativity and innovation. Try new things, learn from your mistakes, and continuously improve. After all, your unique voice is what sets you apart in this digital sea of content creators. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of learning. So start implementing these strategies today and watch as your YouTube income multiplies.